Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. Welcome back to subject English class 7. So first of all everybody take your grammar get textbook and look at page number 132. Once again we continue with the chapter 16 punctuation. Students, in previous video we have seen how to use full stop, how to use, where to use question mark, exclamation mark and comma. Once again I revise you that full stop we have to use when we are just writing a simple sentence. So at the end of this sentence we have to put a full stop. Sometimes for the short form abbreviations also we can use full stop, but in modern English, in modern British English, if we ignore it, then also it's correct. Then question mark used for the end of the direct question. Exclamation mark we can use when there is a sudden feeling came. So at the end of those type of sentence we have to use exclamation or intersection. Comma we can use in a various way, like to separate words from the list, to separate the speaker's exact words, to separate words of direct address, or for several other contexts. For the like question tag, for the short answers we can use comma. Now today students will learn related quotation marks, or you can say inverted commas. So everybody look at page number 133. Single or double inverted commas. Now single means only, look at here, there is one, and in double both sides there is two comma on upside, two comma will come, are also called quotation marks. We use double inverted commas in direct speech to quote the exact words spoken by someone. So where we have to use this quotation mark? When we say the exact word which is spoken by some person. So in these quotation marks we have to take an exact word which the speaker has spoken. For example, Divya said, "The history class is boring." Now look at here students. Divya said what? This girl said, "The history class is boring." What's the exact word of Divya? The history class is boring. So these words we have to put in inverted commas. And before, look at Divya said, after we have to put comma. And whatever she spoken, that words we have to take in inverted commas. Or the history class is boring, said Divya. If you say first the exact word of the person, then also you have to put those words only which is spoken by Divya. And before we have to put comma the same way. Here after sentence inverted comma over, then you have to put comma. But here first comma, then inverted commas will start. Note that the full stop or comma at the end of the sentence comes before the inverted commas. So this type of comma or full stop which is spoken by someone, the words which is spoken by some person, in which if there is comma or full stop will come. So that full stop or comma will come at the end of the sentence but comes before the inverted commas. It will come before inverted commas. Means first these comma will come and then you have to close these double inverted commas. He said comma. Then you have to put double inverted comma what the person say. That words you have to write after. So first comma will come, then inverted commas will come. If you close it, then also first comma will come. Then you have to close your sentence with double inverted commas or single inverted commas. So while writing you have to take care students that first full stop or comma will come, then you have to close or you have to start double inverted commas. When there is a quotation within another, we use single inverted commas inside the double quotation marks like this. Ramila said, "The teacher said there will be a surprise visitor to class on Monday." Now look at here. What's the exact word of Ramila? The teacher said. Now what's the exact word of teacher? There will be a surprise visitor to class on Monday. So what Ramila said, that things we have to write in double inverted commas. The teacher said, comma, then single inverted comma. What the teacher said, there will be a surprise visitor to class on Monday. Now, first you have to close this exact word of teacher with single inverted commas. After, you have to close it with double inverted commas what Ramila had said. Yes, students. So here, don't be confused. Sometimes two things will come, so that time you have to use double inverted commas, and inside you have to use single inverted commas. Now another punctuation. The colon is used before a list and often introduced by phrases like as follows, in the following sentences, and so on. The results are as follows: Isha first, and second, Emma third. So when there is the following list is there, for that we have to use colon, and after in this list we have to put comma, and at last we have to use full stop. So students, in a one sentence you can sometimes many punctuation will come. You must learn the following skills: listening, comma, speaking, comma, reading and writing. You must learn the following skills. You have to put a colon between the list of skills and this sentence. And after, between all the skills, we have to put comma. So how to use colon, I hope you clear about it. Now the apostrophe is used in short forms to show where letters have been omitted. When some letters are removed, when some letters are omitted, for that we have to use apostrophe. I am. Here A is omitted in am. So before we have to put apostrophe, and then we have to write am, apostrophe am. He'll means he will. Here W and I omitted. She's, she is or she has. So when some letters are omitted, for that we can use apostrophe. Let's or lettuce. Here U is omitted. So when some letters are removed, you omit, that time we have to put apostrophe. Now what's another use of this apostrophe? In the possessive forms of nouns, when something belongs to someone, when something possesses to someone. The boy's bag means the bag is belongs to boy. Apostrophe as after a singular noun. Yes, when there is a singular noun, boy, boy means one boy, one person. So if there is a singular noun, so after that noun we have to put apostrophe as. Now look at another sentence. The boy's bag means more than one boy's bag. So after as we have to put apostrophe. Boys, more than one. So after as. But only one boy is there. So before as. Here one boy is a one boy's bag. Here boy's bag, more than one boy's bag. The children's bags. Now look at here, children's means more than one, but look at here, after children we have to put apostrophe as. Means before as we have to put apostrophe. Why? Because here as is with already plural. Boy, boys, boys, boy plural is boys. But here singular form of children is child. You can say child's bags, or children's bag. Here as is not already with children's. We cannot say children's. Child plural is children, not children's. So when you say children's bags, so we have to put apostrophe before s. So when there is with the plural form already s is written, so that time we have to put apostrophe after s. But if in a plural there isn't, s will come. So that time before s we have to put apostrophe. Now capital letters are mainly used at the beginning of a sentence, for the pronoun I, to begin proper nouns, to begin the word God. Yes, as we know that our each and every sentence will start with capital letter. So our sentence will start with capital letter and end with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark, means our sentence is over. For the pronoun I, for the first person, if it's come in the middle of the line, then also I is capital. If I you are using for yourself, for the first person, I love an ice cream. So that time I capital, but in ice cream, I is not capital. To begin, proper nouns. Proper noun means a name of person. Common noun is different. Common noun is girl, boy, any girl, any boy. But if I say particular one girl named Fatima, so F is capital in Fatima. If I say particular one boy named Muhammad, so M is capital in Muhammad, because it's one particular boy name. If I say only girl or boy, so no need to write G capital if it's come in between. Fatima is a clever girl, so F will capital, but in clever girl, girl is a common noun. So that time G is not capital. So for the proper noun, name of person, or you can say name of any book, the grammar get. Look at your front page. The T capital in a grammar, G capital, and get G capital. It's a name of book. The name of film is given always first letter capital. When there is a name of river, means it's a proper noun. Name of mountain means it's a proper noun. And the last, to begin the word God. Yes, it start with God, G capital. If you write Allah, A capital. So when there is a name of God is written, so that time first letter should be capital. So how to use this capital word, where to use capital word. I hope students it's clear to you. Now full stop, comma, question mark, apostrophe, colon, how to use. I hope that everything is clear to you. Now we'll move to the exercise. Punctuate these sentences or paragraph. There are, in this exercise, there are 15 sentences. So, some are only simple sentence, some are more than one sentence, means it's a paragraph. So, we have to solve it. We have to punctuate these paragraph or sentences. So, look at the first one. I have bought carrots, beans, tomatoes and onions. Now, as we know that I is capital, even our sentence start with I. So, I capital, have bought carrots, same. After carrots, we have to put comma. Then beans, then comma, tomatoes and onions. Here we have to put a full stop. So students, these all are names of vegetable. Carrots, beans, tomatoes and onions. Now look at between and. Here tomatoes and onions between and come. So here don't have to put comma. Now look at the next one. Close the window, Harry. Close the window. Harry. Harry is the name of boy. You are saying to Harry to close the window. As we know that our sentence start with capital letter. So close, C capital, the window after name of boy, Harry. So it's a proper noun. That's why H is capital and full stop. Now look at students. While learning comma, we have learned that we have to separate the words to the person name. Close the window, Harry. So after window, we have to put comma. And then we have to write Harry. Harry is the name of person. So H capital and full stop. Now look at the third one. David, where is my watch? Again, David is the name of person. You are asking him, where is my watch? It's a direct question. So David, first of all, D capital. After David, again, comma. Here, comma is there. That's why W is not capital. Where, same. Where is my watch? Same sentence. At the end of this sentence, we have to put a question mark. Because this sentence is a question sentence. You are asking David, where is my watch? Now look at number 4. I can't go to the office today, said Mr. Kumar. Now when there is exact word spoken by some person, so that exact word, what we have to do? We have to put in inverted commas. Yes? So now I, first of all, I, capital I, can't. I can't means I cannot. It's a short form. So what we have to use? We have to use apostrophe. We can't go to the office today, said Mr. Kumar. Now look at here. This is the exact word of Mr. Kumar. So we have to put in double inverted commas. Here double inverted commas over. But we have learned before that first we have to put comma or full stop. Then we have to close the double inverted commas. So after today, first comma will come. Then double inverted commas over. Who said? Said Mr. Kumar is a proper noun. So Mr. M capital. After Mr. is a short form. So we can put full stop in Kumar, K capital, Kumar, and last we have to put full stop. I hope students that you understood everything very clear way. Now look at number 5. What are you doing here, Bhaskar? What are you doing here, Bhaskar? You are asking Bhaskar. So it's a direct question first of all. So question mark will come and your sentence will start with capital letter. What are you doing after doing comma? Yes? Sorry. What are you doing here? So here after comma. Bhaskar is the name of person, B capital. What are you doing, Bhaskar? It's a direct question. We have to put question mark, not only full stop. Look at number 6. She said, what a lovely garden. She said, what a lovely garden. Now first of all, we write first letter capital, she said. After what we have to do? Yes, we have to put comma. What is the exact word of she? We have to put in inverted commas. What a lovely garden. W capital. What a lovely garden. Now, what a lovely garden. Is it question mark? Question mark will come? No, question mark will not come. After what, there isn't any verb. It's a exclamation sentence, so we have to put exclamation mark. Now look at number 7. I'm not free now, said Sanjay. Can you come in the evening? I'm not free. I'm not free. I capital and am only written means it's a short form of am. So we have to put apostrophe. I'm not free now, said Sanjay. It's the exact word of Sanjay, so we have to put in inverted commas. After now, we have to put comma, inverted commas over. And we have to write said Sanjay. Sanjay is a proper noun as capital. Full stop. What's another word of Sanjay? Can you come in the evening? Again, we have to write inverted commas. Here full stop, that's why here can, see capital. Can you come in the evening? Same sentence. Here question mark will come and here inverted commas over. I hope students clear. Can you come in the evening? Same. After question mark and inverted commas over. I hope students that you understand it very well. Now look at here. Ostrich is a name of bird, means it's a proper noun. So O capital. Ostriches are the world's largest birds and can run very fast. They can run 60 kilometers an hour. Ostriches are the world's largest birds. Birds is a common noun, so here B will not come capital. And can run very fast. Here this sentence joined with an, so there is an anything will come. Will very fast. After fast we have to put comma. So that's why they, T capital. They can run 60 kilometers an hour. And after we have to put full stop. So here only O capital in ostriches. After fast we have to put full stop. After full stop another sentence will start. That's why T capital. And after an R full stop will come. Now students 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These 7 sentences and last paragraph of 15. 6 sentences and 1 paragraph. Try to do it yourself. After when I give you PDF, match your answers with PDF. Then copy all the answers with a good handwriting in your textbook only. In Grammar Get textbook only with pencil. Still, if you have any doubts related to this punctuation, you can write in the comment box so I can solve your doubts in next video. Thank you all and have a great day.